How to do mewing the right way.
Mewing, you might have seen it on TikTok or other social media. But what is mewing for real? And does it work? We're going to see that in that video, but first, please subscribe and hit that like button. First, mewing is a facial restructuring technique that involves the practice of proper tongue posture, purportedly influencing jawline definition and overall facial appearance. Discovered by Dr. John Mew and his son Dr. Mike Mew, this method suggests that by consistently placing the tongue against the roof of the mouth and maintaining correct oral posture, individuals can achieve aesthetic improvements in their facial structure over time. The technique has gained a following online, with supporters claiming it can lead to a more pronounced jawline and improved alignment. However, the effectiveness of mewing is subject to debate within the medical community, with skepticism regarding its capacity to produce significant or rapid changes, particularly in adults or teen. We will let the pro explain how to do it.
Then I'm going to swallow my tongue, swallow several times, so I create a vacuum and my tongue is glued on the roof of the mouth with the back third properly engaged. Okay? Now, this is my comfortable posture. Front third of the tongue is from the ectodermal tissues, like, all the things we think of as us. The back third is the endodermal tissues. That back third of the tongue is helping keep your head upright, so you have good head posture. And of course, as soon as you get that vacuum going, your tongue is going to be glued to the roof of the mouth. And the net side effect of that is your cheekbones, the mid-face just pushes out.
This is how it should look like. Some people are having insane results, while some people claim it's a completely cap. Take care, and I'll see you later for others video. I believe in your glow-up journey.